Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to transfer Sweatcoin to Sweat Wallet. So here's the thing, there are actually two different apps you need to know about. The Sweatcoin app, where you earn Sweatcoin, and the Sweat Wallet app, which is where your cryptocurrency is stored. These two apps work together. To transfer your Sweatcoin balance into your Sweat Wallet, you first need to link the account. If you're opening Sweat Wallet for the first time, it will ask you to connect your account. Just log in using the same credentials you used for your Sweatcoin account. Once connected, go to your Sweatcoin app and tap on your balance at the top right. When you select it, it will automatically open Sweat Wallet and display your balance there. And that's it. There's no manual transfer process needed. As long as you're using the same account, your Sweatcoin balance will sync automatically with Sweat Wallet. So yeah, that's all you need to do to transfer Sweatcoin to Sweat Wallet. If you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and check out our next tutorials.